Did you know Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet? Scientists have identified over 1,600 major volcanoes and thousands of smaller ones on its scorching surface. But here's what's truly amazing. Venus might still be erupting today. In 2023, new data revealed changes at Mat Mons, one of its largest volcanoes, suggesting ongoing volcanic activity. These discoveries not only shed light on the restless nature of Venus, but also help us better understand how planets evolve. Venus is a fiery world, and its volcanoes are rewriting our cosmic story.